coming down. So anyway, let's get the show on the road. So good morning and welcome to the morning blessing. The morning blessing today is the strategy of stewardship. Stewardship. A steward is somebody that holds things, that keeps things, that manages things, in charge of things. So it's Thursday, right? It is Thursday. And for many of us, that means one thing. The new flyers on our phone, the flyers in our hand, and the flyers are out. The sales are calling our names because it's Thursday and we're headed to the supermarket, to the mall. Stop right where you are. Before you grab your keys and your debit card, your credit card, and some bags, and I hope you remember your shopping bags, and head out the door, I want you to pause. Pause now, in this moment, pause. All of you on TikTok and on Instagram and all over, wherever you're watching me from, pause. It's Thursday. The fries are out. Take your time. Dress with purpose. And stop scratching your head because you cannot figure out what you're going to buy. Relax. Take a deep breath. So before you head out, pause. Before you grab keys and wallet and credit card and phone and paper flyers and flyers coming from our yin yang. I wish I could tell the postman, do not drop it here. I want you to pause because here is the bottom line about this situation. Shopping without a strategy is the quickest way to erode your financial pillar. Many of you already know that. And you throw caution to the wind. And that's why I say, if you go into that supermarket without a list, you are going to war and you left your ammunition at home. You will be defeated. You will be destroyed. Your financial pillar will suffer drastically. And if you go there and you're in a rush and you didn't prepare your physical body to feel good, stop and do that before you go. The sales are not running away. It's not going to be all finished. Trust me. Because next week, the other supermarket next door will have the same thing on sale. So why am I such a educated person about this? Because you see, my husband worked for one of the largest grocery chains in Canada, Loblaws. And he always said to me, Tess, what is on sale today at Loblaws will be on sale at No Frills, will be at sale at Metro, will be on sale at Walmart, will be over here on sale, will be... Because all of these things is one big manufacturer. That manufacturer sells it to all the different supermarkets. They all want the 3 cents and the 2 cent sale. So do not go spending the money just if you do not need it right away. That's what he always said. And I paid attention, I observed, I followed, and I saw that. So what I'm saying to you here, shopping without a strategy is the quickest way to erode your financial pillars. No grocery list, no supermarket list it's failure. You just failed. That's what it is. So today we are talking about the discipline of the list. I used to say to people when the price of gas was okay, if you get into the parking lot of the supermarket and you find out you left your list at home, it is much cheaper to go back home and pick that list up than to go into that supermarket unarmed. Your list is your armor. Your shopping list is your armor. A pen to swipe it, to clean it, or whatever you do. If it's on the phone, I have mine on the phone, so I take it off right away. Let me tell you this thing about this thing. When you enter the supermarket, whatever they want to sell, they call it a loss leader. They bring you in because they know for sure when you get into that supermarket, you are going to come in specifically for that thing that the price is so good that you cannot resist it. They know that. But what they also know is that you are there you are going to shop other things because you are there already. So now we have a heavier load because you see, we now have the price of gas. So we are no longer going to go from one supermarket to the other to shop. And for that reason, that's why you have to be very careful that you show up with a list. There are little tricks you can follow. You're coming home from work and there's a supermarket on your way. It's not going to cost you money to stop there and pick what you need from them. Remember that. You have a lunchtime and there's a supermarket close to work. It might be that you have your lunch quicker than normal and walk to that supermarket and pick up the special that they have that you need. Remember, this is what I teach my people. Because it's on sale, that doesn't mean you have to buy it. You buy it because you need it, not because it's on sale. So, I'm about to tell you this message, so listen closely. When you walk into that store with flyers in hand but no plan in your heart, you're putting yourself at a severe disadvantage. What they want to move is stacked high in front of you. What they want to move is loaded in a cart in the aisles here and there. Insider information from my husband. If you see a cart with this and that and you're driving, okay, and you're looking, okay, and you stop to get it. They know. They have shoppers that follow you around to see what people are buying. They invest. They pay to know what to put so you can take it. So you have to invest in your strategy, your grocery list. You know, the point I'm making with you is that living home without a grocery list is like a soldier going to war and having left the ammunition at home. You have the uniform, you have the intent, but you have no way to defend your resources. You see, the point is, stewardship requires a script. You are supposed to manage the money you have right now so more can come to you. If the money you have is neglected and tossed on the sidewalk, how can more come to you? Tell me about it. The Japanese man said when he was teaching us that, he said, listen to me. The coins you take to send to the temple, polish them before you take it to the temple. My mom, when she received crushed bills in her business, before she took it to the bank, she took her iron and she ironed the creases out. And then she said to me one day, if humans being treat each other as they treat their money, they would have no friends, no family. And it's so true. But the Japanese man went a little deeper. When you put that shiny coin that you clean the toothpaste or pepper sauce or cleaner or whatever in the church, in the thing, if you have a coin, the other coins that were not treated with kindness looks at you and say, how come you're shining? That energy of shining from you because you dressed today to your best. You didn't throw things on you. You don't look like you just jumped out of bed. You took your time to be graceful about how you look, although all you're going is to the supermarket. But the energy of others, when they look at you, they say, that woman looks nice. That man looks well put together. Oh, okay. And they're grocery shopping. That energy you don't know comes at you and gives you a lift. It brings you to consciousness. You feel good and you're going in there. The dirty coins ask the shiny coin, how come you look so shiny? The coin replies, Mr. Wang Chung whatever is take care of me. He polished me. He respects me. And he took care and he put me here. If you go to him, he will take care of you. No, I'm not doubting this thing. I don't know, but I believe it. So take care of what you already have. Be a good steward of the money that you already have. So when you take it to go spend and you're spending, here's a little trick. Thank you in your head. I have the money, thank you money, to allow me to pay for what I desire. Even when you're donating something, bless it and say thank you for the time that I was able to have you, to use you. The magic of that. You see, the point is, stewardship requires a script. If you don't have one, the supermarket will write one for you. And it will be an expensive one. They will dictate what you purchase when you walk into that supermarket. They will make the purchase for you. You will tap, you'll swipe, and it's so easy because we are not counting money, so we are not always conscious of the swiping and the typing. Pause when you're picking something up and look at it. Do I need it? Do we have some already at home? So, the supermarket is designed to distract you. Let's look at it from that point. It knows what it wants to get rid of. This is the picture of how it unfolds. You go in for milk, and all of us know that. You go in for milk and bread. But because you didn't arm yourself with a list, you see a buy two, get one deal on. And something you don't even use or you don't even need right now. But it's a sale. And that's why minutes ago I said to you, because it's on sale, that doesn't mean you have to buy it. Remember that. Do I need it? Should I go or should I stay? Should I purchase or should I refrain? Pause and ask the question. Oh yeah, but next week when you need it, 2 weeks from now, somebody else will have it on sale. That's the pattern of shopping. You see the bright colors. You smell the bakery.